Hey guys, welcome to another video. I wanted to show you what I did. So I got the sheep like I said I would. I tried the string, but it didn't work. I cracked some eggs and I got Donny here, which I named with the name tag. And that's basically it. It's morning because I just slept. And I built Donny a fence. Now Donny is able to go anywhere that they want. And I'm just going to fence in this area too. And I want to be able to go find some more friends soon, because I've got bones for dogs. Also, I found some skeletons under there, so I made it so that they can't spawn there anymore. Gonna need to make more. Do I even yet have enough for more? Yeah, I do. Barely. I think that's how you make. No. You gotta make it look that. There we go. 12 will do. Let's put this here. Yay. Look at that. Now Donny can be in the front and the backyard whenever Donny wants. Come on, Donny. Let me go get some seeds so that I can show him the front. Oh yeah, I had another one. Another two, apparently. And they're stuck behind the chest, so those will be the chest monsters. They're probably gonna despawn, though. Come on, Donny. Come on. There you go. Look at you. You have this flower. That's your flower. That's Donny's flower. That was a little too for my liking. But let's go find some friends. We can't have the cat yet, sadly. That's because I don't know where to get string from. So we'll just have to wait a little bit longer on that. What's up? Thank you for the egg. Do you want a daughter or a son? Oh, I did not mean to do that. Get Donny another flower. Don't have a black sheep yet. I think I'm gonna go explore this desert more. A pillager? 2, 3? Wonder what that's about. I've never seen a pillager in like that. Oh no. I'm not going to get killed right now. No. I'm too far from home. Oh my gosh, they're fast. I have to time every jump perfectly, Earl. Okay, I'm so scared. Just gonna keep on running. I'm gonna go back home. Hopefully they won't follow me there. I don't even know if they're still behind me. I'm not even gonna look. Hurry, hurry. The lag is starting to get in. Okay, we're back. Basically back. My favorite flowers. I lost them. That was terrifying. I didn't know they were that fast. More flowers for Donny. I was just trying to pick flowers. Be happy, but oh my god, that was terrifying. Chickens. Oh my goodness. I have to wait. Hopefully there aren't any more villagers. I should get more dandelions so that it matches. If I get a dog, I might have to steal some of Donny's flowers to get my dog a different colored collar. No, don't necessarily hate red, but it's not my favorite color. I'd rather it be the color of the... Oh, there it is, my house. I'd rather it be like the color of the cornflowers, because that's a nice blue. I don't know where those pillagers came from. I hate lag. Come on. Go faster. There you go, Donny. I'll get you some more. Okay, I got some cornflowers too. There we go. There you go, Donny. Come on inside, Donny. Let's go. There'll be mobs soon. Come to bed with me. Donny, Donny, Donny. No, Donny. Donny. Okay, bye, Donny. You can come out if you want. I hope the villagers don't get near my house. That would be a pain. That's why I was taking the long way home. I should build something over here. It looks cool. And it's so much closer to my house than I expected. Across. This is where they were. Well, around where they were. Wonder if that's them there. It's just a cow. I hear lava here. Maybe not. I hate lag. Come on. Okay. I don't see anything bad anymore. Hopefully they're gone. I hear a ton of mobs that I need. A spider and a skeleton. Maybe this is a cave. Oh, wow, I was right. Oh, I thought they were right there. Maybe I need to open up the cave. Come on. I wish lag never existed. Why is this so lit up? Maybe this is where the lava is. Stop lagging. I gotta fight these. I gotta wait till I stop lagging. Bro. What? Okay. I'm not bad at that. It's so laggy. String. Nothing dropped from that? Are you kidding me? Why does it have to be so laggy? Okay. See if there's anybody else down here. See iron. Maybe we could get that. That's about all I can do for this video. We got chased by pillagers. I showed you Donny. I showed you... we made a new place for Donny. Out in the front yard and the backyard. Well, I made that off camera, but still. Those pillagers still scare me. Hopefully, I won't come across them off camera. Because then I won't have any proof of them killing me. Other than maybe some stuff gone, but... that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video. And I hope you guys come back to see more.